Architect's Client Concern Anticipation Guide. 17 questions. Introduction. This set of questions is crafted to equip you, as an architect, with foresight into common client concerns. We've compiled these inquiries to help you proactively prepare thoughtful and reassuring responses, transforming potential anxieties into opportunities for building trust and demonstrating your expertise. By internalizing these anticipated dialogues, you'll enhance your communication and strengthen client relationships from the very first meeting. Our aim is to empower you to navigate complex client discussions with confidence and clarity, ensuring every interaction reinforces your value and commitment. These questions delve into critical areas from financial predictability to design preferences, enabling you to address client needs holistically. Ultimately, this preparation will streamline your project processes and solidify your reputation as a responsive and client-centric architect. 17 questions. Number 1. Project total cost estimate. How much will this project cost in total, including your fees, construction, and all other expenses? Client's concern, financial predictability, and avoiding hidden costs. How to address. That's a crucial question, and it's something we'll establish together as we move through the design process. My fees are typically structured as a percentage of the final construction cost, or a fixed fee for specific phases. For construction, we'll develop a detailed budget based on your requirements and material preferences. While it's impossible to give an exact figure today without detailed plans, we'll work diligently to design within a mutually agreed-upon budget range, providing regular cost updates and transparent communication on all expenses. Number 2. Overall project timeline. How long will the entire process take from design to construction completion? Client's concern, project duration, meeting deadlines, and managing expectations. How to address. The timeline depends on several factors, including the project's complexity, the speed of decision-making, and the construction process itself. Typically, a project like yours involves 2 to 4 months for design, 1 to 2 months for permits, 6 to 12 months for construction. We'll establish a detailed project schedule together, setting realistic milestones and ensuring clear communication if any adjustments are needed. Our goal is to complete your project efficiently, without compromising quality. Number 3. Architectural fees value. What exactly do I get for your fees? Client's concern. Understanding the value proposition and scope of services beyond just drawings. How to address. My fees cover much more than just the drawings. You're investing in my expertise to guide you through a complex process. This includes initial consultations, site analysis, conceptual design, detailed design development, material selection, coordination with engineers, securing permits, bidding assistance, and construction administration, where I oversee quality and adherence to plans. My role is to be your advocate, ensuring your vision is realized efficiently, beautifully, and within budget, ultimately adding significant value to your investment. Number 4. Design dissatisfaction contingency. What if I don't like the design you propose? Client's concern, risk of dissatisfaction, lack of control, and wasted investment. How to address. That's a very valid concern, and it's precisely why our design process is highly collaborative and iterative. We start with in-depth discussions about your vision and preferences. Then, I'll present concepts, and we'll have multiple review sessions where your feedback is actively encouraged. My goal isn't to impose my style, but to translate your dreams into a functional and beautiful reality. We won't move forward to the next stage until you're completely satisfied with the direction. Number 5. Architect's unique benefit. Can a builder or a designer just do this for cheaper? Client's concern, cost effectiveness, and the unique benefit of an architect versus other professionals. How to address. While builders and designers are crucial to a project, an architect offers a unique breadth of expertise. We're trained to see the holistic picture, from initial concept and complex problem-solving, to coordinating all consultants, ensuring structural integrity, navigating permits, optimizing for long-term value, and providing oversight during construction. This integrated approach minimizes costly errors, maximizes efficiency, and ensures the final result is a truly functional, beautiful, and valuable asset that stands the test of time. Number 6. Budget control strategy. How do you ensure the project stays within my budget? Client's concern, budget overruns and financial control. How to address. Budget management is a continuous process we prioritize. We start with a clear budget discussion. Then we design with that budget in mind, providing cost estimates at various stages to keep you informed. We'll work closely with contractors to get competitive bids and identify cost-saving opportunities without compromising quality. Regular budget reviews will be part of our project meetings to ensure transparency and control. Number 7. Client involvement level. How involved will I be in the design process? Client's concern, lack of control, feeling left out, or having their input ignored. How to address. Your involvement is key to the success of this project. You'll be central to all major design decisions. We'll have regular meetings to review progress, present options, and incorporate your feedback. My role is to guide you through the complexities, present informed choices, and make sure your voice is heard and reflected in every aspect of the design. Number 8. Contractor selection role. How do you choose a contractor and what's your role during construction? Client's concern, quality of construction, reliable contractors, and supervision. How to address. Selecting the right contractor is vital. We can assist you in the bidding process by inviting qualified contractors, evaluating their proposals, and ensuring competitive pricing. During construction, I provide construction administration services. This means regular site visits, reviewing the contractor's work for quality and adherence to our plans, clarifying details, processing payment applications, and resolving any issues that arise. I act as your representative, ensuring the construction meets the design intent and quality standards. Number 9. Unforeseen problems resolution. What if there are problems during construction, like unforeseen site conditions or unexpected costs? Client's concern, unforeseen issues, delays, and additional expenses. How to address. While we strive to anticipate everything during design, unforeseen conditions can occasionally arise. Our detailed plans and rigorous site analysis aim to minimize these. If issues do occur, my role is to act swiftly to assess the situation, propose solutions, and work with the contractor to mitigate impacts on cost and schedule. We'll always communicate transparently with you about any challenges and proposed resolutions. Number 10. Design change management. How do you handle changes once the design is approved or construction has started? Client's concern, flexibility, cost of changes, and ease of modification. How to address. We aim to finalize the design thoroughly before construction begins to minimize changes, as they can impact cost and schedule. However, if changes are needed, we'll document them clearly, discuss their implications on the budget and timeline with you, and issue formal change orders to the contractor. Our process ensures that any modifications are managed transparently and professionally. Number 11. Sustainable design assurance. How do you ensure the design is sustainable and energy efficient? Client's concern, environmental impact, long-term operational costs, and modern standards. How to address. Sustainability is integral to my design philosophy, especially here in the Philippines. We prioritize passive design strategies, maximizing natural light, cross-ventilation, and appropriate shading to reduce energy consumption. We also explore the use of local, sustainable materials and efficient systems. We'll discuss options like rainwater harvesting, solar readiness, and material choices that offer both environmental benefits and long-term savings for you. Number 12. Code compliance assurance. How do you ensure the project complies with all local building codes and regulations? Client's concern, legal compliance, avoiding penalties, and smooth approval process. How to address. Navigating permits and codes is a complex but essential part of the process. I am responsible for ensuring our designs comply with all local building codes, zoning ordinances, and regulatory requirements. We'll prepare all necessary documentation for submission to the relevant authorities and guide you through the approval process, minimizing delays and ensuring legal compliance. Number 13. Communication process clarity. What is your communication process like? How often will we meet, and what updates can I expect? Client's concern, transparency, staying informed, and feeling connected to the project. How to address. Clear and consistent communication is paramount. We'll establish a regular meeting schedule, perhaps weekly or bi-weekly, for formal updates and reviews. In between, you can expect timely communication via email or calls for urgent matters. You'll always be informed about progress, milestones, and any decisions that require your input. Number 14, work warranty guarantee. What kind of warranty or guarantee do you offer for your work? Client's concern, accountability, quality assurance, and recourse if issues arise. How to address. As a licensed architect, my commitment is to deliver professional services to the highest standard of care. While architects don't offer warranties on the construction itself, that's the contractor's responsibility, my contract outlines my scope of services and professional responsibilities. I stand by the quality of my design and documentation, and I'll remain available post-construction for any design-related clarifications or issues that may arise. Number 15, architect selection justification. Why should I choose you over other architects? What makes your approach or firm unique? Client's concern, differentiation, finding the best fit, and understanding your competitive advantage. How to address. That's an important question. What I believe sets me apart is my specialized expertise, highly collaborative process, and proven track record of delivering projects on time and within budget. My focus is on creating spaces that uniquely reflect your lifestyle and values. I'm committed to being your dedicated partner throughout this entire journey. Number 16, post-construction support. What post-construction support can I expect from you and your firm? Client's concern, long-term usability, ongoing issues, and future needs after project completion. How to address. My commitment to your project extends beyond the completion of construction. I remain available for 3-6 months to address any design-related clarifications. For any major modifications or future phases, I'd be happy to discuss new engagements. My goal is to ensure your continued satisfaction with your new space. Number 17, project scope flexibility. What if my needs or budget change during the project? Client's concern, flexibility, adaptability, and managing unforeseen personal circumstances or priorities. How to address. We understand that life happens and project parameters can shift. Our process is designed to be adaptable. We'll assess the impact of changes on design, timeline, and cost. We'll present clear options and work collaboratively to adjust the project scope and ensure it continues to align with your updated objectives.